Making games is fun, but it's even more fun when you can play them on your own mobile devices and share links with friends, download. To do that, you need to get your game ready for Google Play Store and App Store, and we'll show you in this short video how to easily do that. This is Rosebud AI, and this is Kier as usual, joined by Jason. Hey, Jason.
Hey, everyone.
And Jason has this game running. We already before featured this game, making a multiplayer out of it.
Yep, it's an OSS game by Yakadu. We have the link here if you want to check it out. It's called The Aviator.
The game is pretty much ready to play. What are the next steps?
So now the next step is for us to head over to a platform called FlutterFlow, which actually makes it really easy for you to get your games onto your phone. Right here is my completed project. This is how yours is going to look when you're done. I'll go through everything step by step. So we're going to start from scratch. But over here, you see the project is running. It looks the exact same. It has like a mobile setup right here. You can see that's responsive, even if the screen size changes, which is really useful. Let's head back to the home page. And this is what you see when you'll get to FlutterFlow. You'll see this empty place. You say create new, hit here. Now you have all these templates. You do not want any template. We have start building, and then that takes you to a blank project. And you can see here we have page title, and we have drag widgets. Widgets on FlutterFlow are pretty much just different like things on your app, whether like lists, buttons, all these different things you can do. You can make an entire app on FlutterFlow too, but we already have ours. We're not going to do any of that. So I'm just going to delete everything. I'm going to delete this, and now we have completely blank. What I'm going to do now is go to this gallery here and just do web, and you see web view come up. I'm going to drag web view on here, make it the full screen. And what this is pretty much just connect to any URL and then show whatever is on that URL on your app. That's what we want to do because we already have our working game. So now I'm going to go back to my project. I'm going to head to publish, hit the publish with no logo, and now I have this URL. What it does is that when I enter it, you see a Rosebud game in full screen. All we have to do now is copy the URL, head back to FlutterFlow, click this web view. You see the web view URL. This is whatever page is showing up here. So I paste that in here, and we already have our published Rosebud game on FlutterFlow. We're almost ready to go. All we need to do now is go to the developer menu on the top, and then you have an option to download APK, which is how you get stuff to run on Android. And then if you want to run on iOS, what you would do, and this is actually a similar process for if you want to get your game onto the Google Play Store, is also the same. You head down here to settings, mobile deployment, and then if you're on the pro tier of FlutterFlow, they have easy one-click deployment to get your app onto App Store or Play Store. They also have it in their docs. I'll go down here, same thing. They tell you, oh, you can hit deploy here and then get your app to be reviewed on the App Store. If I head over here, it'll take some time for them to build the actual APK. So now it says it's going to take a few minutes, and that's pretty much all you need to do to get your Rosebud games onto Android devices.
We downloaded the APK from FlutterFlow. Now we're just going to try to run it in the emulator. So this is going to be Google Pixel 9 with Android 13. And we can just drag and drop for this test and see if it works.
All right, let's drag it in.
Boom.
Right, there we go. Got it working on our Android emulator.
And you can definitely customize an icon, the name, all of these things on FlutterFlow.
Head down to settings and integrations on the bottom. You have project name, you got project description. Here, package name, display name, what page you start on. We only have one page. You don't have to worry too much about this. You have the app assets, the splash screen. So what you saw when we opened up the app, if you're paying attention, that it was a white screen with like a Flutter logo. You might want to change that to your own logo. You have launcher icon, what the icon will change to on Android, what image will show up when you have errors.
All of these things can be customized. Make sure you have the right name, the right icon. Also make sure that the game is mobile optimized. It has the mobile controls. It has the adaptive screen, and all of that can be done on Rosebud AI before you send it to FlutterFlow. Also, if you have new updates, you can just publish it again, and the game can be automatically updated for everyone who is using it. You don't have to repackage the game itself. So once it's published and on people's phones, you're just gonna load the game in the new version automatically. Hope this was helpful. We're excited to see what you create, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
See y'all.